In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI to create realistic AI videos. We're going to walk through a simple workflow that takes you from a blank page to a generated clip, and along the way, I'll share tips to keep everything clear and effective. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. This is the home base for Grok AI. Give the page a moment to load so all the creative tools initialize properly. Once you're in, look for the area labeled Imagine. Imagine is Grok's creative canvas. It's where you describe what you want and choose the kind of output you need. Click Imagine. To enter that workspace, you'll see a text box waiting for your idea and usually a few options that influence how Grok delivers the result. Don't worry if the interface looks minimal. That's by design. The heavy lifting happens after you describe your concept. In the prompt box, type, "Create videos about dogs." This is a simple starting point, perfect for learning the flow. If you want a stronger first pass, add a touch of detail, like the breed, setting, mood, and style. Think a playful golden retriever running through a sunlit park, cinematic lighting, natural colors. Short, concrete phrases help the model lock onto your vision while still giving it room to be creative. Next, choose video as the output type. If Imagine shows multiple media modes, selecting video tells Grok to generate motion rather than a still image. Leave any advanced controls at their defaults for now. The goal is to see a clean baseline result. When you're ready, hit send and let Grok process your request. You'll typically see a brief progress indicator as the system synthesizes frames and brings your prompt to life. Generation time can vary, so be patient and avoid refreshing the page while it's working. When the clip appears, press play to preview. Watch for details that match your prompt, subject, setting, pacing, and overall realism. If something feels off, small wording tweaks go a long way. Tighten the subject, clarify the action, and specify lighting or camera style. Then send again to refine. That's the entire flow. Open Grok, enter Imagine, describe your idea, select video, and send. With a clear prompt and a bit of iteration, you'll be creating realistic AI videos in minutes. As you practice, keep a notepad of prompts that worked well, reuse them with small variations, and compare outputs side by side. Consistency in phrasing plus clear visuals in your mind will steadily improve the realism of every clip you generate.